this is what I love about kayaking. Oh! Come on then, ducks. I'll race you. Come on. So, we're now leaving Lechlade Marina. It's a lovely sunny afternoon. It's very warm, and we're going to take a right again. Sorry if this is too similar to the last video, but I'm just getting my bearings. It's quite busy down by Lechlade Bridge. So this isn't part of the Thames officially, I don't think. Oh, it's getting a bit shallow. Getting very shallow. That's a bit better. No entry, it says, and there's hanging signs. Are we going to listen to them? No, we're not. The car's weird. I didn't see that sign, but it does start to narrow up here. Let's go and have a little look. We might get shouted at. We'll be quiet. This is what I love about kayaking. This place here is completely hidden from the main river, and I've come under the bough of a tree. In fact, there's a bird's nest above me, and I'm completely hidden from the river. I mean, okay, I'm in a blue kayak, and you can sort of see these trees, but you can come here and have your lunch away from everyone else, just relax, and it's so peaceful. You're out of the sun, you're in nature, it's lovely. Seriously, hire a boat, just get on the water. Such good fun. Did I bring any snacks? Yes, I did. How easy are they to get though? They're in my day bag, which is stashed right at the back of the boat. Oh, I can't be bothered. Well, you can see how far I've come. I've just turned around on this trip and I am heading back. I didn't realise how hard it was to kayak into the wind. I'd say it feels like it's doubly hard, and because this part of the Thames isn't tidal, there is a current, but it doesn't feel very strong. And so yeah, I'm now heading back. It's so, up here is so quiet, there's so much dragonflies, so much more wildlife, and very few people, one or two serious paddlers that have come down from Castle Eaton, or have just come up here. Quite a few people get out and read a book, have a picnic, but in the main there's no one up here, which is lovely. And also, going back, I'm not filming into the sun, so the footage should be a lot nicer. What the hell's that? Oh, first powered craft up here. Ragging it. Far too fast. Well, that was fun. Not. Absolutely ragging it up the river. Far too quick. The thing is, everyone wants to have fun on the water, but it just damages the riverbank. There's the roundhouse, or part of the roundhouse. The house is below, and that's the round bit. There's the house. You've seen the round, and there's the house. We've got a swimmer in the water. Where are you? Is it nice? Oh! Back into Marina. There we go. Mind the ducks. Come on then, ducks. I'll race you. Come on. There we go. Wow, big crane coming in.